All right, everyone, let's get started on today's daily math activity. For today, your game is called Find My Twin. Everyone say, Find My Twin. And these are the things you'll need to play Find My Twin. You'll need a piece of paper, something to write with, and you'll need at least 4 dimes and at least 5 nickels. Again, at least 4 dimes and 5 nickels. All right, friends? So I'm gonna write the title of my game at the top. So it says, Find, finger space, my, finger space, twin, with an exclamation point. And again, we're gonna use dimes. So what's the value of a dime? The value is 5 cents. What's the value? 10 cents. And what's the value of a nickel? It is 5 cents. Ooh, forgot the cents. Let's put on the outside like that. Okay, so those are the materials, and that's how you set up your game of Find My Twin. Okay, friends, let's play our game of Find My Twin. The objective or the goal of the game is for students, they will have to find the same cent value using a group of nickels and a group of dimes. So you have to find the equal cent value. You have to find the equal cent value. Let's do some practice first before we play the game. Let's just add some coins up together to find the cent value. We already know a nickel is worth 5 cents, but what's the cent value of 2 nickels? If I have 2 nickels here, what is the cent value altogether? How would you solve that? First, I'm gonna write it down just so I can see it better. I'm gonna do a quick drawing of each nickel and put the number 5 cents, and then another nickel here, 5 cents. And now I want to know the cent value all together. So do you think I'm going to take away or add? Yeah, I'm going to add. That's my operation. So I'm just going to put a plus sign to remind me to add both values together. So it's 5 cents plus 5 more cents. You should know this. It equals 10 cents. Now you don't have to use your fingers to count this, friends. If I see 2 groups of 5s, you can just skip count. Watch. 5, 10. So 5 plus 5 more equals 10 cents. How about we know the value of 1 dime is 10 cents, but what's the value of 2 dimes? Let me draw it first so I can see it better. A dime is worth 10 cents, and I have another dime right here worth another 10 cents. And again, I want to know the cents value of both coins all together. So am I gonna use the minus sign or the plus sign? Yeah, I'm gonna use the plus sign because I want to know the cents value of both coins all together. So I'm going to put 10 cents plus 10 more cents equals blank. What's the cent value of both coins? Add it. You can use your fingers and your toes, but that might take a long time. There's another strategy, a faster strategy you can use to add both coins together. Well, how can you solve it? Friends, you can skip count again. Look, I have a group of 10 here, and then I have another group of 10 here. When we skip count, we're counting out groups of 5s or groups of 10s or groups of 2s. This was a group of 5 and another group of 5. Are we going to skip count by 5s here? No, these aren't groups of 5s. They're groups of 10. So that means I'm going to skip count by 10s. Watch. 10, 20. Hey, 10 plus 10 is 20 cents. Good thing I know my songs. Cool. Great practice, friends. I'm going to draw a line here, and now we can move on to the next part of our game. All right, let's move on to the main part of our game of Find My Twin. I have 3 questions for you. 1 question, 2 questions, and 3 questions. And remember, the objective or the goal of this game is to find the same cents value using a group of nickels and a group of dimes. So, let's do the first one together. My first question has 2 nickels. I'm going to draw those nickels again. 5 cents, another nickel here, 5 cents. So, I already know the value of these because we did it already here. So, 5 cents plus 5 more cents equals 10 cents, right? So, we use nickels on this side, but what if we used dimes on this side? If I have 2 nickels here, what is the same in dimes? So 2 nickels equals 10 cents, so that means 2 nickels equals 1 dime. Because look, 5 plus 5 equals 10. And 10 cents is the value of 1 dime. So that means 2 nickels equals 1 dime. They are the same. Remember, friends, equal is the same. So I can write, I can also write 2 nickels is equal, underline equal because it's very important. So 2 nickels is, oops, Mr. Junior made a mistake. 2 nickels are equal to how many dimes? 1 dime. Okay, so what? So just to review, Mr. Junior counted the cents value of both coins all together. Then I looked at the answer or the sum, and I had to think, how many dimes would that be? That would just be 1 dime. And I wrote it out here. 2 nickels are equal to 1 dime. Okay, let's move on to number 2. It's gonna get a little bit more tricky. For question number 2, I'm gonna give you 2 dimes. Okay, so here are your 2 dimes. Let's draw them out. 10 cents, 10 cents. And again, I want to know the cent value, so we're adding them together. So 2 dimes, 10 cents plus 10 cents, we already know equals 20 cents. And now I want to know how many nickels will I need to make 20 cents? Let's grab some nickels and start adding them together. So here's 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. If I add another nickel, that's another 5 cents. So if I add them together, we know it's 10 cents because I can skip count by 5s. So 5, 10. If I add another nickel, I have 5, 10, 15 cents. Am I at 20 cents yet? Not yet. So that means I have to add another nickel. And let's count them together. 5, 10, 15, 20. Hey, I got 20 cents all together. How many nickels did it take? Let's count it. 1 nickel, 2 nickels, 3 nickels, 4 nickels. So to make 20 cents, I need 4 nickels. To make 20 cents, I also need 2 dimes. So those cent values are equal. I'm gonna write that down. So I have 2 dimes. So 2 dimes are equal or the same. This one there too to remind me. 2 dimes are equal to how many nickels? 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. And there you have it. That's question number 2. So, if I put this down, the cent value I have here is the same as the cent value here. Even though they look different, there's only 2 dimes here and 4 nickels there. Even though they look different, the cent value is the same. The cent value is the same or equal, right? Nice job. Here's number 3. And number 3, I'm just gonna let you and your family solve it on your own, and make sure you share your work and your answers in the comments below. So here's the last one. I'm gonna have, I'm actually gonna need more coins. So I'm just gonna move all these coins that I have. And for number 3, I'm gonna use nickels first. 1, 2, 3 nickels, 4 nickels, 5 nickels, 6 nickels. There you have it. I have 6 nickels here. How many dimes will I need to make the same value? That's what I'm looking for. If I have 6 nickels here, what's the same in dimes? That's for you and your families to solve. Make sure you share your work in the comments below. And friends, this one's a doozy. So families, please, please, please help out. Try not to give out the answers. Remember, count and find the cent value first, and then think how many dimes will it take to make the same value. All right, you can keep adding more dimes until you get the right value. Awesome, friends. I can't wait to see all of your awesome work. Don't forget to take a picture of yourself in your safari outfits, like in your animal prints, or maybe you're working on your videos outside today. That also counts as some spirit points. I can't wait to see everything, friends. Good luck. Thank you for watching today's daily math activity. Make sure to share your pictures and your videos in the comments below, and make sure that you're dressed in your safari costumes. Now, tomorrow's Spirit Day is Throwback Thursday, so you and your families can come up with a costume, and it has to be from a certain decade. So your families can help you out with this. You can dress up like you're in the 90s, you can dress up like you're in the 80s, you can dress up like you're in the 60s or 70s. It's up to you and your families. And I highly suggest using Google and Pinterest. Mr. Junie loves Pinterest to find some ideas for your outfits. All right, I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. I'll see you again for another daily math activity. Peace out.